All right. In 2023, we're going to get that green and that crypto, baby. So, I'm going to show you again how we can use various websites to make free money on crypto 24/7 here in 2023. Now, I always like to show you different ways you can get that crypto. So, today we're going to talk about a site I've shown you before, and I think it's still running pretty smoothly, pretty easy to do. So, let me just show you what we call KiddyEarner. Now, we ain't earning for no kids, we're earning for these grown folks out here. Anyway, let me show you. Very simple. You don't need to put any money in, you don't need any referrals. All you need is an email address to register for the free account. Don't use a VPN because you will get banned and you stop making that free crypto. You don't want that. So let's get to it. So when you click the link below this video, you'll come to the KiddyEarner site. You'll go ahead and register just by clicking on the register button. When you do so, you're just going to supply them with your email address. You're going to create a password. Go repeat that password, and they only allow Gmail email addresses. So if you ain't got Gmail, get that Gmail. Then once you go ahead and get set up your free account, you'll click the recapture right here. You'll sign up, and you're good to go. Now, you'll need to verify that account through your email address. So pop up to your email, get that verified. You're good to go. Come back, pop in your email address and your password. Go ahead and verify your captcha right here. And then it's going to be this time for the traffic lights. Let's go ahead and knock those out right quick. Boom, 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 boom. And we are signing in, baby. Okay, so when you come to the KiddyEarner site, very, very, very easy to do. Right here on the left side is going to be everything that you're going to be focusing on, okay? Up to the top right is going to be how many coins you've earned so far. And this is very, very simple, okay? Simply what I do every time is if you see a little pop-up right here, the site actually earns money by all these ads. You don't need to click an ad if you don't want to. We're just going to show you how to make money off the site running the ads, okay? And how do we do that? Very simple. First, I would suggest this little ad right here. Find a little X, click it, mark it off. That way you can see all the rest of the different items you can choose and use right here on the website. The ones I do the most, and I'll show you what I think is best, is going to be simply going to the faucet. Click on the faucet claim. It's going to verify your identity. Make sure you ain't got any kind of you don't have any kind of VPN set up because that will get you kicked out. And they'll let you know that here on the faucet, it tells you right now it's ready. When it's not ready, there'll be a timer counting down how much time you must wait before you can use the faucet. I think right now the faucet's allowing you to refresh it every 3 minutes. So you can come back here about every 3 minutes or so, click the faucet, earn over 1,000,000 coins. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1,100,000 coins is the current reward. They pop up right here into the little Bitcoin identifier here. Now, this is not how much Bitcoin you're going to be getting, but I will show you how much you're going to earn here. Okay, so I took a little screenshot earlier today, and I was at the 303,524. I mean, sorry, 303,524. That was equivalent to 334 Bitcoin at that time. Actually, 0.000000334 Bitcoin at that time was the 303 million. Now we're at 310 million. Let me show you how easy this is to do. You're just going to scroll down. Now it tells you right here, please click on the antibot links in the following order, 7, 3, 9. So you're going to go down here. We're going to find the 7, click it. We're going to find the 3, click it. We're going to find the 9, click it. We're going to say, I'm not a robot, click it. We're going to do our little CAPTCHA of mountains or hills. That's going to be here. That's going to be here. That's going to be here. And we're going to go verify. Got a check mark. We're good to go. We're going to scroll down and we're going to choose collect your reward. All right. We'll collect that reward. Bada boom, bada bing. Good job. You've earned 1,100,000 coins. Add to the balance. That goes right here directly. Then you get to the countdown timer. 3 more minutes to wait before you can earn these coins again. You have a limit of doing this 100 times per day. So come back as often as you see fit. Then if you close a little button right here, you can see there's other options to earn from. There's a contest. You can make achievements that'll earn you more coins. There's a quiz, which I'll go into in just a moment. You got your auto faucet, which will be the same faucet I just showed you, but it runs continuously if you earn some special points for that. You got your offer walls where you're going to be able to see your different surveys or other kind of offers you can click on and take advantage of earning more coins. I showed you the faucet claim just a moment ago. You got your PTC, your point-to-click ads, got window ads and shorts. Now, all of these are different ways you can earn coins. Of course, you can do some investing as well if you choose to. You can invest here in the site, and you can go ahead and earn some money by doing some simple investments. That's truly up to you. I don't spend any money on the site, but if you wanted to do so, this is where you could do so, earn even uh, faster coins. Of course, you can create your own ads if you want to promote something that you're working on. You can go ahead and do that here as well. And of course, here's your profile history, your account history, and your logout. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into one of the other things I could do is the point-to-click ads. I'll click right here, boom, 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 and it shows we have 21 ads available, total of 400. That 4 million? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 million coins available through all these rewards right here. So if you click right here, this is the title of the little ad. This is the little subtitle. This is how many coins you're going to earn by clicking on it. This is how long you have to watch the ad, just 10 seconds. So let's get to it. We're going to click the little go button. The ad's going to pop up and it's going to count down right here, tell you how long you have to wait. So you're just going to wait. Just wait a few seconds till we get paid. All right, done. All right, so once you're done, you're going to go ahead and review the caption, let you know that you are not a robot. Going to verify it. It's going to open that tab into a new window right here. Go back to the previous window right here, and it tells you, good job. You got your 30,000 coins. All right, cool. And you can just drop down to the next one. This one will give you 185,000 coins for a 5-second ad. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now notice our balance is going up each time we do this, right? So watch this. We're going to go ahead and add some more coins to that balance. We're going to wait 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, boom. Now notice, I didn't have to click in the app. I didn't have to look at nothing else. I didn't have to scroll down. I didn't have to do nothing, but just let the timer count down for those short few seconds. We'll verify that we're real. It's going to pop it off to a second tab over here. You jump back to the original tab, and the real tab shows you gotten paid. You see how quick that is? Look, amount's going up. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see if we can grab one more. Oops, didn't want to click that bad boy. Let's go ahead and close him. Come back to the original site. If you see this little banner right here pop up, sometimes it can block some of your options over here on the main panel. So all I gotta do is find the X right about there. Let's close this ad. Boop. And let's see if we can go ahead and get our faucet claim again. Boop. Go and verify that we're good to go. Verify we got no VPNs running, got no other faulty software trying to hack the website. We're good to go. We're ready for our next claim of 1,100,000 coins. Well, like I did, just like last time, scroll down, looking for these numbers here in the order, 387. We'll go 3, we'll go 8, we'll go 7, we'll go I'm not a robot. We'll verify the taxis, boom, boom, boom. We'll click verify, and then we'll scroll down, and we'll click collect your rewards. Now, it's just that simple, folks. It's just that simple. Now, I've earned another 1,100,000 coins, and that popped in right here, okay? So, let's go ahead and jump over and see how much we can get paid out. Withdraw request. Boom. Okay. Now, when you come to the withdraw page, these are the different ways that you can get paid out. Either Bitcoin, Tron, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, Solana, or Binance Coin. So it's all up to you. Now, these coins right here are the amount you're putting in right here. You can pull out the full amount, okay? You just need to know what wallet you're going to pay out to. Now, these will pay out to Faucet Pay and Coinbase, okay? Most of these are Faucet Pay. As you see, Faucet Pay, Faucet Pay, Faucet Pay, Faucet Pay. Shiba Inu must be on Coinbase, Faucet Pay, and Faucet Pay. Now, if you don't know, Faucet Pay is linked by your email address, so you're going to provide them with the email address linked to your Faucet Pay account. We'll jump right over into Faucet Pay, and let's get that logged in so we can prepare for. Oh, we don't want that. We want the Faucet Pay. P-A-Y. Boom, boom, boom. All right. We'll go ahead and we'll get logged into our Faucet Pay account. If you don't have a Faucet Pay account, you can click the link below this video and you can get set up with your own Faucet Pay account. That way you can collect these little Bitcoin bits from these different various websites. Now, you will use a Google Authenticator, so let me go ahead and pop that in for you right quick. And we are logged in. Now, when you log into Faucet Pay and you log in consecutively for days, you're going to earn reward points for each time you log in consecutively. So if you log in today, get 1 point, log in tomorrow, get the second point, log in next day, you get 3 points, log in next day, you get 4 points, so forth and so on. So that's cool. It's a little reward for using Faucet Pay. Now, we currently have, right now, the Faucet Pay account, we've got 1583 and Bitcoin right here, okay? And we're going to go ahead and do a withdrawal real quick from the KiddyEarner site so we can get the 344 right here, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get that withdrawal right here. I'm going to click Faucet Pay for Bitcoin. That's telling exactly which one I want. I've already told it what email address link my Faucet Pay account, and we should see this go ahead and hit the account there very quickly. When we click on withdraw, once again, for security purposes, going to verify our connection. And 344 Satoshi have been sent to your account. Boom. So let's go ahead and let's just verify that. We'll jump over to our dashboard once again. We had the 1583. We'll refresh. Boom, 1927. Instant payout. No fees, instant payout, no waiting. Get that money. Very, very simple. Okay? So it's just that easy, folks. Then you jump back on, go back to the original user panel, and start over. Start getting more money. Okay? User panel, you can see how many coins you have right now. I'm going to withdraw them all, so I have no coins in there. So let's start getting some more coins. Just as simple as we saw before. Faucet claim. Okay? Let's go ahead and get our quick payout real quick. Once again, you just do this over and over again, and you just keep getting paid over and over again by doing some very simple clicks. I don't have to talk to anybody. I don't have to spend a single dime. I don't have to do any hard work at all. It's just the simplest way to get paid Bitcoin over and over again for doing some very simple things. Now, I touched on about the quiz. The quiz is tricky, okay? So be warned, be warned, be warned. The quiz is a way to actually earn some quick money, but you can lose money as well. It's simply going to be like gambling, okay? If you have a wrong answer, you're going to lose this many coins. If you have a correct answer, you're going to earn this many coins, okay? So it's very, very tricky. So look, here's the question right here. I always say pull up a calculator so you can go ahead and you can use the calculator at the same time. 27 divided by 3 is going to be 9. Look, invalid claim. So I already got a bad answer there. So let me show you how quick it is. So we got, what, 76 minus 43 is going to be 33. I'm going to go ahead and click on 33. Boom. I'm going to claim that. And am I good? Good job. I earned it. Okay. Now, pull up a calculator again. Next question is 67 minus 48. That's going to be a total of 19. We'll click that one and claim. And did I beat the timer? Yes, beat the timer. Another 16,000 coins, okay? And you just keep doing that over and over again. Now, the timers are going to always be counting, so you got to be fast. 331 plus 61. Now, if you're good at math and you don't need a calculator, bravo. You do you, I'm doing me. I'm using a calculator because you know why? Because you can. So why make it hard? Make it easy. You know what I'm saying? Work smarter, not harder. Let's get that coin. But I'm coming out of here. I don't want to risk any more money because that little timer countdown can drain your little balance quickly. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to do that, you do that. Otherwise, you just follow the different little options here on the user panel. Decide what works best for you. You do you. I'm gonna do me. Let's keep getting that crypto for 2023, baby. All right. This is Brian Farrell, and I'm out. Peace.